Alright, this has been a long time coming. A little bit of YouTube stuff here. I apologize for the shaky cam. Working on some new stuff. Now that I have this bandsaw, it's a lot easier than using the jigsaw that I had to cut stuff. And you can see everything's a little bit in flux. I am like a high functioning hoarder, but that's alright because what are you going to do? This space here, you couldn't even walk in this space up until like this morning. Hanging up some stuff, put a ton of stuff in the trash. Yes, actually, this box here is the stuff I'm recycling. That box there is going to a friend of mine, Frank May. Oh, I should probably put a link to his gallery's YouTube account. He does a lot of stuff with debris and leftover art materials, so I'm saving some of my stuff for him. So that's what that is. So this stuff will be gone soon. Probably shouldn't be putting it on top of my uncle's chop saw, but that's okay. My goal, eventually, is to go through what has become the archives of the junk I've been collecting to see what's back here. Also, I have some unfinished sculptures that I haven't gotten to, and a bunch of wall space. I've been using this space to show artwork, but I realize now that probably should be using this one for painting, put a little French cleat here, like literally a little one. It's only about 12 inches. And I should probably be using this back wall to hang all my artwork on and organizing all these stuff. I've been trying to use these mobile shelves that I built, not really working out, but what are you going to do? All right, that's it for me.